Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to export videos from ScreenPal. Whether you've created a screen recording, webcam video, tutorial, presentation, online course, or social media clip, exporting your finished project is the final step before sharing it with your audience. So let's get started. First, sign in to your ScreenPal account and open the video project you want to export. If you've recently finished editing, make sure all your changes have been saved before proceeding. Next, review your video one final time. Watch the entire project carefully and check for any mistakes, timing issues, audio problems, caption errors, or unwanted clips that may have been overlooked during editing. Once you're satisfied with the final result, locate the Export, Publish, or Save Video button within the ScreenPal editor and click it. ScreenPal will present several export options depending on your account type and available features. You may be able to export directly to your computer, upload to a hosting platform, or share through integrated publishing tools. As a best practice, keep a backup copy of both your exported video and the original ScreenPal project in case you need to make changes in the future. And that's how to export videos from ScreenPal. By reviewing your project, selecting the appropriate export settings, and verifying the final output, you can create professional videos that are ready to share with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.